If you're looking for a company that is committed to sales excellence, you've come to the right place. Regardless of whether you're selling business to business, business to consumer, and regardless of whether your product has a long sales cycle or a short sales cycle, or if you're selling a product or a service, the skills, techniques, and strategies that we reinforce in our in-house training program or through our online sales training platform are going to give you the ability to raise your sales standard. Our commitment is that we want our world to change your world. So that world can only be changed not by just us sharing information with you so that you're learning it, but that you're applying it too. So we've taken the skills, techniques, and strategies of the highest paid sales professionals and broken them down into an easy to understand format so that you can apply them on your very next call. What does that application look like? It means like taking a skill and a technique, such as a questioning skill, so that you can ask a client a question and you get more information back from that question than if you'd have asked 4 questions, and that information is deeper. It means emotionally connecting with the person that you're actually talking to so that they feel more attracted towards you and your company and your solution than anybody else's. It means outselling your competition by not just identifying your differentiation, but positioning it and setting criteria so that the client realizes that what they are needing can only be purchased from you. It also means taking the power of what the highest paid sales professionals are utilizing that magnify their communication with the person they're talking to attract that person towards them even more and get a better understanding and a clearer understanding of what they're communicating. It means having less objections coming your way because you're utilizing skills, techniques, and strategies that reinforce that you're going to get fewer objections. That's why the sales professionals get fewer objections than the average sales performer. It also means building rapport, our ability to share with you a skill and a technique that gives you the opportunity of building rapport and building it fast with the people or the person you're talking to is going to give you the ability to move sales forward and close sales faster. We're committed to changing your world. Give us a call at the Sales Pro so that we can help to change your world through the experience and the education that we have in our world. Good selling.